Oh God. Yeah, it's just... Holy fuck. Yeah. Let's crash into this Civic.
So unnecessary.
It's looking pretty damn good. And guess what was in the boot?
Fucking brush.
The brush that Brian gave out about a long time ago. Almost 2 years ago.
How much cleaning I missed on doing this with the brush. Rockadoodles.
It's like 17 degrees of...
It's probably a bit floppy, is it?
That's the movement there. Like, I actually think that's fine.
You need to film from this side, Neil.
Oh, show. Where are we coming under? Oh wow, yeah, that's what the sound was. Jesus.
Well, that's what that sound was.
If you go top to bottom.
Oh, the bottom, look at it, up and down. No, it's actually better when you're doing the left to right.
Yeah, it's just...
Yeah. Holy fuck.
Yeah. So the March needs maintenance. She gets a lot of driving.
One or two maintenance issues.
Yeah.
She's nearly not as rusty as the other one.
No, the other one was...
Blow it around it to see her.
I know, we tried to fix it. I think we did. Well, the exhaust was missing for 3 weeks.
Oh, did it fall
It
off?
snapped back here, look. Come back and enjoy this. This is what I was talking about. This pipe broke, right? So it was cooking the brake lines and the brakes wouldn't work. And I found it out going 140 on the motorway. Pressed all the way into the floor and I had to pump them and I had to use the handbrake. Yeah, look, the exhaust was blowing up and cooking that line and then the brakes just decided not to work, so. But we fixed the exhaust the other day. Flip had to do a bit of welding in there. And it was terrible, it was just a bad time.
You have an oil leak here.
Oh, what's going on there?
You're leaking oil obviously.
I actually, I have oil in there, it's probably spilling. That'll stop rust anyway. Oh, sorry. Oh God.
I'd love to really
It actually fills the arch nicely.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, that looks great in there actually.
Yeah. Well, these would have came with, 16s. No one runs 15s. So.
16s they were. Shit in the boot.
Yeah, and guess what was in the boot?
Fucking brush.
The brush that Brian gave out about a long time ago. Almost 2 years ago.
How much cleaning I missed on doing this with the brush.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Yeah, that's 2 years that brush has been
Separation
missing. We brought that to Gapville 2 years ago.
He's off. That's him for the night.
That's so good that you thought of the brush.
Yeah. I'm so happy that he's just... See you tomorrow, Brian.
You're making the most of this, man.
Here's a blanket, I can just sweep it under.
I thought you've done enough of this over the last week.
That's a dining table.
Just under this scrap pile. That is impressive that you brought the brush back.
It is, considering Reubens
Other stuff
Laurel.
is missing though.
Well, you think it was going to fall on your car, did you?
What's missing?
Oh, the wheel was
The only thing that's missing is you gave me a lamp and then you took all the lamps, took the ones from my area and just never saw a lamp ever again.
Here's a lamp.
Because
2 lamps.
fucked me.
absolutely wankered.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. Fuck, they're bad.
I was really worried that or the ball joint was going to fall out like the Civic going down the motorway. You happy to have the car back? We filmed this shit already, so.
Yeah, but it's here now. It's on a different camera.
Yeah,
It's
but sure,
still
you
here.
have another
Sweep and brush. It's great.
What are you doing? You're lowering the vehicle.
Yeah.
Getting her back
Just get rid of
to.
They do, don't they?
And then tomorrow I'll drive it somewhere and be like, I shouldn't have lowered it. But it's fucking low. It's fucking cool,
You want
man.
repainting her?
Yeah, that's the paint.
What do you think?
Yeah, they're a bit nicer.
Okay. You can give it to Evans over there. We should bring him over.
Levin?
Hang on,
Say racing sports. I just say US racing sports.
That's in bits.
what's racing sports?
Often in bits.
Looks great here.
Yeah, that's the place for that.
Yeah. Fucking eat you, Jack.
I'm just booting him. It always gets a bit weird. You know it's winter when you put on that hoodie again.
Oh, stop.
You know it's winter when he wears 2 hoodies. Yeah.
It's just.
Or he wears a Type R jacket.
One hoodie in summer. Don't even mention that Type R jacket.
The first time I ever met him was in the Type R jacket. So.
You know it's winter when Evan's still in a t-shirt.
Time to make the donuts. 16 of them.
Oh, it's me.
Wow, we're grown up.
This is what happens.
We're so mature. Repeat business.
Look at this one in here.
If he sells you good stuff, you won't come back for
Oh
more.
yeah, yeah.
Come in, come on, come in, come in, come on, come on. Coming in. Yeah, look at it.
Holy Jesus.
She twisty.
Ah, that's normal. They're a howling or look at.
She ripped the game.
Give me that ball. You changing that one?
I don't think you changed that one.
No, I did this side.
You only did one side, which is that side. Yeah.
Is that stripped now again?
Yeah, we're just going to change him. Oh, I'd definitely give that attention, shall Fucking hell.
I thought he did it.
No,
This looks great on everyone. Anyone who puts it on, he looks like a fucking simpleton. Some crackers go and do a full drift event just with it on like that and just saying on.
Some crackers go do a full drink.
Hey!
He's machined these out to like 86 mil.
These are going on the FC.
Yeah, he's taken an eighth
Jesus.
of an inch off the edge of them.
Right.
My hubs have to go off. Look at them. These been modified already. See?
For your hubs,
Yeah.
modified for lock.
Yes. 1 mil has to come off there.
Right then.
And there. And then
Oh shit.
sandblasted.
Who blasted them for you?
Josh,
Some man.
ready for paint.
Fuck. What colour are you going?
I'm gonna go with that Tahitian green
Yeah.
off the EGs.
Very nice.
Oh shit.
Ah yeah. It's that time of year.
It is. That's why I'm double hoodie.
Season's changing. Weather's getting shite. March is getting rusty. March is in for a test soon, so we got to get it ready. You got to get it up to scratch. Perishedness. It's quick.
That's what I just said to Dougie. I wish that's all I had to do. Because it's just like, it's done.
Lowering her back down, back.
Yeah,
Back to Walford spec, back.
been up and down a few times.
Yeah. To grease them up now and
They don't
have them copper greased and
Whatever on. It's the measuring device. Whatever. They're grand.
they Skyline brakes, but are they?
GTR brakes.
GTR brakes.
FPV pads. Nissan 350 rear hub. And a Motec system exhaust.
Very nice.
There's so much play there that it's not even reactive with it.
Really?
I'm hitting the fucking hole.
So it didn't really bother filming this stuff earlier, but changed the ball joints, tie rod end, drop links. Now we're changing the oil, those bushings. Where is it? Is that not? That's not the ball joint. Where's the really bad one, or did I toss it away?
No, that's a tie rod. Oh, there it is. Look.
There it is.
Let's do a little.
Yeah, I've just been really lazy and driving on this. Not good. It's absolutely fucking shocking.
He's not fucking great either.
No. The rock solid TRD suspension and 1,000 kilometers a week is beating the shit out of the poor March. So I said I'd get back to this stuff once we get back from Japan. There's a little bit of rust coming through here. Micros love to fucking rust. We fixed the exhaust last week. But yeah, gotta give it a bit of love before the Irish inspection known as the NCT. Tires next. Yeah, I got tires. They just showed up when I was coming home from work today. Sorry, Micro. But you do love it. I drive the shit out of you, so. Some fresh spark plugs. Not sponsored by NGK at all. Just like their logo. Let's crash into this Civic. Just looks like you're at work. Tetris. Tetris.
I love Tetris. Oh, Jesus!
What are you up to?
I'm welding the diff. Because we're going diffing.
Where are you going diffing?
Bring to the slab.
Where are you going in the slab?
Going to Wales.
You're welding the diff, lad.
I'm going to cut the springs too.
You're cutting springs.
I actually have cut springs.
You're going to Drift Matsuri, lad.
Drift Matsuri 2019. Because I was bullied into it.
Okay. Sick.
I'm off.
Where are you going?
I thought I was going to Indonesia, and I'm actually going to Malaysia in a couple of hours.
Okay, so you're going for 5 weeks.
I'm going for 2 years.
2 years.
You won't see me on these videos for 2 years.
Ever again.
Sorry, Foley. I'll be back in a while.
Alright then.
But yeah, see you. See any cars out there?
We can't do anything without the camera, man. This is the way we live now.
Yeah. Cameras will be our hands.
Well, I'm gonna miss the camera.
have
You
your own
cunts
camera.
gonna miss me.
Imagine, God forbid, now you like just crash in
Never
a
seen you
plane
again.
or something happened. We never saw you ever again after this.
At the funeral.
Yeah, we just.
And that
Or
clip-
if you actually do just disappear now and then that's it. Like.
Or use that clip of me nearly
Yeah,
my head taken
that's.
off.
If you did, I'd make a good video for your funeral.
Thanks for having me. I hope you enjoyed the stuff, the shite. I'm gonna do some rings now on the plane. We all love the rings.
Mind that hard drive.
Yeah.
Slim.
People are just getting somebody anxiety.
Yeah.
Get your back up plus.
Right, enjoy Indonesia, Malaysia, Jakarta,
I don't
wherever.
even know where I'm going.
Send us a postcard.
Yeah.
We'll actually have to put it just cut in then, just waving on a beach somewhere. Right, go on then. See you later. Bye. Right, so you've been sick all week
I've been sick.
because winter is back.
I'm gonna start coughing all night now.
Good. Well, while I was in work today, Flip was nice enough to prime all of the last items that need to be attached to the car. These are all going black. There's some more over here, little items that we missed. But just a gloss black, same as we done on the axle and everything else. We're going to try and get back into the car after
And that's a nice edge primer.
a long,
Edge epoxy.
yeah,
Sorry.
it's the same stuff we used on the Shell. So nice and rugged. But yeah, thanks for doing this earlier. You were nice enough to mask everything off for me.
I did the same way I did Dougie's.
Yeah,
So it'll just leave your treads
yeah. Josh did the,
and then sand this part.
yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
But yeah, I'm going to try paint these now in a minute. And
No supervision.
no, well, maybe. They're the exhaust hangers. There's
Yeah,
just a pulley.
Start with hit the lines first.
Yeah,
Hold it around and then do your outside. Then your
yeah. So do the crappy parts first.
Well, I don't know. Just a rule I do. I always start with the main parts.
Well, it would,
Because if you run out of paint, then you run out on a main part. Do you know
Okay.
what I mean? If you run out one of them.
yeah, but would you not want me to hit the inside bits first and then do the outside?
That's what I mean. So when you start on him, right? So come in and just try get in there, try get in
Yeah.
in all the weird places.
Yeah, I'm never really going to get in there, but yeah,
Up there, all there.
yeah. Oh, phone call. Boom. Yep. It's looking pretty damn good.